whole like multi-angle thing out. I'm filming on my regular camera for the hand view, and then I'm filming on my laptop. So yeah, laptop quality kind of good, whatever. I have my designs on Fresco. We're gonna probably do, I'm kind of want to try the squiggly one first. So I have that design in green, and I have like a bunch of different greens. Oh, I'm sorry about this. I have this shade too, which I really like, but it's old. Like all this clay is like several years old anyways, but it's really old, and it says Fimo soft, but it is some of the like hardest clay that I've ever worked with. I like Sculpey. Sculpey's good. Bake Shop is good. Look, I have so many unopened packages of clay in here too. Craft Smart is really cheap. Sculpey Primo is good. Regular Sculpey is good. I do like this shade, but I'll probably go with this one because it's easier to mold and whatever. So Fimo, goodbye. Oh yeah, my board is really crusty. I've had this literally for years. I'm gonna go ahead and mold this, and honestly this might not be enough. I don't know. These are just trendy, and I wanted to try to make them myself, especially because I used to make clay things so much, which, oh wait, this is really gonna be enough clay, which I already showed a bunch of footage of. How funny. Look at this Nyan cat. It's so bad. Bye, Nyan cat. It literally broke too, so my 12-year-old self would be screaming right now. Look at this. Look how creepy this is. This was supposed to be like my channel mascot. Like my channel is called Miss Apple Productions, and it's like a bunny with like, I don't know. This is a pillow pet, and it's kind of funny. Like it's a pillow pet that I had, I think, but I donated my pillow pet. This I glazed with orange glaze. It was like wood tint instead of clear wood tint or whatever. I was devastated because look how cute it would have been if it was like clear. Y'all, this is like one of the first things I ever made. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. Look, I made the up house. It's very top heavy, and I used like really brown paint on it, but like she kind of cute from afar. From afar, look at this koi fish that was like hot whenever I made it, and like look at it, this little like granite thing. It was inspired by somebody. Anything you see is inspired by like somebody on YouTube or a tutorial. So bad. I was like, look at this dragon. This dragon's cute, and then the eye was kind of up. Oh, look at this swing I made. Yeah, about to throw her away. This, I tried to make one of those like real baby things, and then I tried like gluing fabric on it to put clothes on it. This is a hot mess. Like, where's the other hand? Look at the eyes. This was a contest entry for like some fairy themed thing that a YouTuber did. So like I did mushrooms and obviously lots of glitter. She was holding a fat flower. These are some of the first things I ever made. Look at these popsicles. Look how crusty they are. A lot of this food that I made, I would use whenever I played like Barbies and like Bratz dolls. Those are obviously toothpicks in them. This Starbucks drink I tried so hard on, bro. Look at this little fortune cookie. Look at this cream puff. So cute. Oh my god, wait, where is it? I made the cookie from Wreck-It Ralph. Yeah. I mean, some of the texturing's kind of gone, but like it's cute, and I had the ribbon and everything. Look at all this stuff, like a little rainbow cake, a chicken nugget with a bite together. Oh, this is another one of the first things I made. I remember this octopus with donuts, holding donuts, because it was inspired by somebody. I put on a keychain and everything, but obviously they've lost a lot of pieces since then. A plate with cookies, and I don't know where the milk went, but there was milk right here. Oh, I made the Hunger Games Mockingjay thing. Look at this bowl of mac and cheese. Like all the stuff that I made, I threw a lot of it away though because like a lot of it was like really ugly. Okay, so the camera angle is like really awkward now because I have to use my phone. My phone's on a charger and I have it on my tripod, like propped on it. So I rolled it out, kind of skinty. Let's see, what finger do I want to put this on? My index finger. I'm gonna just pinch it. And this isn't really a tutorial video. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be enough clay now. It's also like not even sticking together. Look, okay, so this is what happens if you don't knead the clay enough. It splits. So basically the idea is that the ring would look like that. Oh, okay, that's actually really cute. Yeah, but obviously I don't have a whole other half to fill. So try to reattach this and see if it looks smooth, but if it doesn't, then I'll just re-roll the whole snake out. And I'll come back, because I feel like this is taking forever. Okay, so I grabbed it, and this is what it looks like. It's obviously seen better days. I've also had this for years, and somehow it's still liquid, so it's an interesting consistency to work with. I would recommend, if y'all were to get this, but you definitely don't have to use like a toothpick of some sort, but I'm just gonna use this clay tool that I've had for eons. And this is like usually what people use to make like fake drinks with clay or soups. You can color it with like chalk pastels. It's for like realistic food more so than anything, but it is used as like a clay adhesive. Lightly dab it in between. It's translucent, so it will bake pretty clear. And we're gonna move on because this is kind of aggravating me, and when I bake it, it won't be like this. So yeah.
Hey, look, I'm a star, got this wishing. He say he hungry, this